Hi guys, and welcome back to beautiful Indonesia. Today I'm leaving the capital city of Jakarta and taking a train to a city 3 hours south of here. I'm heading to the city of Bandung, situated deep in the central highlands of West Java. I'm not sure what I expect to find in Bandung. It is, as is, for most of the island of Java, well off the tourist norm. So come with me on a journey of discovery. But before we go any further, please ensure that you are subscribed to this channel. If you are not, and you're getting some value from this channel, please press the subscribe button. It's completely free to do so and helps grow our community and build this channel. Okay, so I've arrived in Bandung. So let's take a look around. There's a lot to see. My first impressions of the city is that it is extremely clean. There is no litter anywhere. The city is very green. There are parks everywhere and streets lined with trees. The city is young and vibrant, possibly because 50% of the population is aged 25 years or younger. This can be explained by the fact that there are over 50 institutions of higher learning, most of which are involved in the arts. I head to the centre of the city, to an area where this city gets its nickname, Paris of Asia. Braga Street is a small leafy area in the heart of the city. The street is lined with colonial Dutch architecture, cafes and restaurants. You will also find street artists from all genres, honing their skills and trying to earn a few dollars. Although I've never been to France, I've been informed that Braga Street resembles the Montmartre district in Paris. Unlike Jakarta and the city's altitude, gives Bandung a more tolerable climate. Lower temperatures and humidity mean you can easily walk around the streets to see places of interest without ending up as a puddle. But to find the true natural beauty of this region, you need to travel to the north or south. So tomorrow I'll be travelling south to the tea growing areas. So the next day I headed south on a rented scooter. My first port of call is the picturesque spot about 50 kilometres southwest of Bandung. Resting on the shores of the Pentagon Lake is a unique resort. The landlocked ship is in fact the resort's restaurant. The resort's facilities are available to members of the public for a modest fee. Not far from the resort, to the east, is a natural wonder that should not be missed if you're in the area. Dubbed the White Lake, this extinct volcanic crater is breathtaking. However, the smell of sulphur can be overwhelming at times. The atmosphere is extremely acidic and toxic, so due care and diligence should be exercised. But that in no way takes away from the grandeur of this natural feature. The water in the crater can vary from turquoise to an extreme pale blue. In a phrase, this place needs to be seen to be fully appreciated. Bandung is a great city to visit in Java. There is so much to see and do here, and I've only just scratched the surface. Bandung is, at the moment, not very touristy, but it has everything in place. And I believe within the next few years, it will become one of Indonesia's premier destinations. I will be coming back to Java, and in particular, Bandung. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this content. Please subscribe, comment, and give this video the thumbs up. Safe travels.